this and it always zooms in. Hey, so I wanted to, this is like a last minute video. Today I am gonna build a flower wall in my backyard. So I was like, let me just make this a YouTube video and share how to do it, because while I was Googling how to build a flower wall, I wasn't able to find like much. So I was like, okay, let me just probably create a video and hopefully this could be helpful for other people as well. So I already have the grass wall set up in the backyard. I'll show you guys that in a second. Right now I'm just gonna run out to just get the flowers. Let me actually get my tripod stand because my hand is hurting freaking holding this camera. Okay, forget that. I'm not gonna get my tripod stand because it's too much work to freaking set it up, and I'm gonna have to bring my camera with me anyway on the road. But as I was saying, the grass wall is already set up in the backyard. I got the pieces from Home Depot. So you can get one full strip. I got, oh, I thought that was thunder. I was like, no, not now when I'm about to start. I got two pieces and put them together because we already had a piece of turf, but so I didn't want it to go to waste. So we ended up just getting another piece and attaching it. Another tip, when you are getting your turf wall, if you do decide to get two different pieces like me, because for some reason you have one existing in your backyard already, make sure that you flip it the right way, because when we first got it, we flipped each piece in like the opposite direction, so it looked like they were two different colors when they were actually the same color. So make sure you get the same color turf so it blends a bit more seamlessly. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like this video and you want more videos like this, DIY. I'm really into this stuff, but I never share it. So I'm like, let me just share everything. Okay, so I just got to the Michael store. I'm about to get out and start savaging for some things. Okay, so I'm back. It's another day. So, issue yesterday, long story short, I did not get to finish the wall yesterday, but now I have all the supplies today, so I'm just gonna go through, show you guys what I got. I actually didn't get everything from Michael's. I got it from, why am I so out of breath? I'm sorry, it's Florida and it's just so hot. But I went to Michael's and then I just went to Walmart because I showed my mom what I got from Michael's and she's like, well, I think you could have got it cheaper at Walmart. Pretty much what I got at Michael's was extremely overpriced, so I will never be going back there again. It's for like the super rich. I don't know what I was thinking. So I went and I got a few stuff at Walmart, but still kept some of the things I got from Michael's. So I'll just go through that, show it to you, but keep in mind you can get your flowers from wherever you want. Here's my mom. She's gonna help. Come. She'll be helping building the wall today. So these are like the two pieces I was telling you guys about, how they're different, but we're gonna get it to blend seamlessly. I also saw like a wrap behind there the other day, so I'm hoping that's not there today. Also want to note that I got a glue gun initially because that's how I was gonna stick it to the wall, but my mom said it's better to do pins and wires. None of that actually worked, so let's fast forward to what actually worked for us. I'll go through and we'll see what worked. Okay, so quick update. You don't need any supplies. What you actually need to do that we figured out is you just need your handy dandy scissors right here and just stab a hole in the wall and just stick the vines through. So stab a hole in the wall and then stick this part through, and then this is like bendable, so you can bend it any way you want. Nothing will go through there. Wires. The branch in my head shows I was struggling. Pins, you're wasting your time. Now that we got our ish together, let me go ahead and just fast forward, showing you guys pretty much how we did it. And this is the finished product about 3 hours later. It was so worth it though. Like, I really love how it came out. It would have naturally been a bit sooner, but because we had difficulties like deciding how to get it in. But now that we know, it's yeah, pretty good.